Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone is updated and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions. Once connected to Wi-Fi, go to Settings and tap your name. You'll need the Apple ID email. If you forgot the password, choose Password and Security, then Forgot Password. Follow prompts. Make sure a trusted phone or device can receive verification codes. If you don't have access to a trusted device, select Account Recovery. It starts a secure wait period, so Apple can verify you. Once you request a password reset, Apple will ask how to verify you, choose a trusted phone number, receive a verification code on another Apple device, or provide a recovery key if you set one up. Enter the code promptly. This proves identity and lets you create a new password. Make the new password strong and unique. If you used Account Recovery instead, you'll get an estimated wait time. Check Settings, your name, password, and security to monitor progress and respond to any follow-up. After setting a new password, sign back into Icloud and confirm iCloud Drive, Photos, and Keychain sync. Make sure two-factor devices are updated and remove any old trusted devices you no longer use. If activation lock blocks you, try signing in with the original Apple ID email. If that fails, prepare proof of purchase and contact Apple support. A key troubleshooting tip: if recovery is pending, check the account recovery status regularly and be ready to provide additional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.